Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from circles of 10th class. The question is, AB and CD are two common tangents to circles which touch each other at C. Let us draw the figure. This is one circle. This is another circle and this point is C. And what they gave, AB and CD are two common tangents. Like this one, right? So, and here if D lies on AB, means this will be D, right? This will be AB. Okay. Now, if you observe, just point out the radius and just join these, right? Now, this will be what? This will be what? This is radius of the circle. From here to here, how much? Here to here will be the same. And from here to here, how much? This will be, both will be equal. That means if you observe, you will get here. Say for example, here it is given actually CD equals to 4 units, right? This from here to here it is 4. Okay, this is also will be 4, right? Because this distance is exactly parallel to this and will be equal, right? Understood? So this is 4, and so as this is radius, this also will be 4. This is also a radius, and this distance must be or equal. Again, this will be 4, right? Next, coming to this one we know, and this distance will be same. This and this will be same, right? No, so this will be 4. From here to here it is, as this is radius, this also will be so also radius, so this also will be 4. So how much this will be? 4. Therefore AB equals to what you will get? AD plus DB. But one more thing we have, if two common tangents are touching the circle at some point and will are tangents, otherwise directly you can do AB is equals to, by seeing this you can say DB equals to, sorry, AD equals to DB, right? So 2AD you can take, so AB equals to 2 into 4, which is equals to 8. Otherwise, how can you say AB equals to AD plus DB, which is equals to 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8. Therefore, AB equals to 8. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.